Hi, I'm the Las Palmas Gourmet, and today I'm making churrasco at home, and I'm using the picanha cut of meat. Okay, so I'm gonna prep this picanha top sirloin so that it can go onto the skewer. So first I'm gonna cut a slit, fold it, cut a slit all the way through. It's been seasoned with a combination of kosher salt and Hawaiian black lava sea salt. Now we're going to thread it onto the skewer. Lock it down with the tines. And while I'm preparing the meat for the skewer, I have my outside grill and rotisserie starting to heat at the highest temperature setting. Picanha is the top cap of the sirloin. It has a fatty outside and very tender meat. It's one of my favorite cuts to use for this type of preparation. As a side, I'm also going to grill some asparagus. So I chop off the woody ends and then I place it onto some tin foil. I'll season it with olive oil, kosher salt, and cracked black pepper. As I mentioned, I have my outside grill and rotisserie set up at the highest heat setting. I place the meat onto the rotisserie, turn it on, and let it go. This takes about 30 minutes. I was able to maintain somewhere around 400 to 450 degrees heat, and it takes about 30 minutes to get to medium rare. I also have some roasted sweet potato that I made previously, so I'm just going to reheat that on the grill. And then I add my asparagus. That'll take about 5 to 10 minutes to heat through. I tint the meat for about 10 minutes after I pull it off the grill, and then I slice it thinly. Nice and medium rare, just like I like it. This picanha has a salty crust, but a very delicious flavor. And there's plenty of leftovers for tacos and steak salads.